Hi, my name is Heather Gillilan, and this is my video for my final lesson plan for Math 150. I'm going to be teaching my students about estimation. We're going to be using rounding, and then we will use those numbers that we rounded to add to get a total. All right, class, look at our pom-pom jar. It is almost full. I wonder how many pom-poms are in our jar. Well, there is a way that we can find out. So the first thing I want you to do before we get started is take out your math journal. At the top, write estimation and write the date. And let's look up here. This is what you're going to write. Estimation. Estimation is finding an approximate answer to a math problem, or it's a reasonable guess using what we already know. So we don't know the total number in our jar, but let's look right here. How many do you think I have here? Good, that's about 5. How many do you think I have here? Okay, 10, good job. How many? 20, not quite, there's 15 there. And then this, how many? 30, nope, anybody else? Okay, there's 20 here, so I want you to look right here. That's 20. Do you think our pom-pom jar has more or less? Good, our pom-pom jar is gonna have more, but we don't know how many more. So I'm gonna set that aside. We're gonna come back to that in just a little bit. Now, when we estimate, we're gonna be using rounding. Remember that when we round 0 to 4, we round down. 5 to 9, we round up. So let's look here. 21, what would that round to? Good, it rounds down to 20. 14, what does that round to? Good, it rounds down to 10. What about 26? Good, it rounds up to 30. And 18? Yes, rounds up to 20. All right, you are going to be getting into groups. And in your group of 2, you're going to be getting some math cubes. One of you is going to be setting out 2 groups of math cubes. And the other will be guessing or estimating how many they think. So let's try it really quick before you go. How many do you think this is? Good, it's about 10. So write that in your math journal. How many do you think this is? Okay, that's about 10. So you should have written in your math journal 10 plus 10. What's 10 plus 10? Good, it's 20. So what if I guessed that there were 13? We want to round. Where would I round 13 to? Good, I would round it to 10. So write 10 in your math journal. What if I thought that there was 17? What would I round that to? Okay, good, 20. So then 13 plus 17, we rounded down. 10 plus 20 equals what? It equals 30. Good job. Get in your groups and work together on this, please. And while they're in their groups, I would walk around, make sure that everybody's good. If they have any questions, I can answer their questions. Just kind of gauge how they're doing. All right, class, come back together. Keep your math journals out because we have more things to add to it. All right, everyone did a great job. I walked around and watched. You did a great job working together. Great job estimating and rounding. All right, let's look back at our pom-pom jar. So we said that this amount was 20. Okay, so look at that, 20. Anybody have some guesses as to how many they think are in our jar? Okay, you think 38? All right, anybody else? Ooh, 75. Anybody else? 48. All right, one more friend. All right, 57. All right, friends, we have 53 pom-poms in our jar. So good job guessing or estimating how many were in our jar. All right, to close our class, you each are going to have this worksheet. It is round and add. Let's work on the first one together and then you'll finish the rest. The first problem says 21. What do we round 21 to? Good, we rounded to 20. What about 45? Good, that rounds to 50. What's 20 plus 50? 70, great. Good job. You work on this math sheet all by yourself. When you're finished, come and turn it into me. So then after that, I would see if they did all of the math problems right, and that's how I would assess them. Thank you.